This year in SoCal, we had lots of heavy rain come through. Needless to say, it made the weeds in our horse pasture grow like Jack and the Beanstalk. Luckily, we found Mike over at Premier Tractor Works, and he came out with his tractor and gave us a hand. Overall, it was a great experience working with Premier Tractor Works. The prices are great and their work is phenomenal. Not only that, but Mike is very professional in the way he treats his customers and the way he goes above and beyond. So if you need the same kind of service done for your horse property, go ahead and give Mike a call and tell him that Aaron and David from SoCal Fence and Barn sent you.